Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to reset chronograph counters here on a Seiko module 1792 chronograph. And in most of the watches, you set it up by just pulling out the crown to the all the way out. There's a one click and second click, one click, second click, and you cannot pull it all anymore. So be careful. And when you pull it out, usually on most other watches, you just press this and it will reset. But when this one, you need to activate first counters. So if you want to activate counter number 1, you press this button for 2 seconds or until it moves. See, now it's activated. You saw the movement here, and now you use the second pusher to align it. You can hold it for a bit more and it will go faster, and then here you, let me just zoom in, here you align it, and that's it. Now that's it. Same thing goes for other chronographs. Let me just show you all the way second position, and now you want to this one's activated, but we don't need this one, so we want to activate another one. If you press once more, now this one's activated. See, now you can push this one, and we want to remove it, and I overdid it, but anyways, now I want to activate a second one, any other one, and yeah, and that's how you do it. So you hold this for 2 seconds and activate it, then you use this one to align it. So let me just, I want to fix the one that I broke. And I really hate when they are not aligned. So I will also put PDF menu in description of this video, so make sure to check that out. When you're done, don't forget to push the crown all the way in. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys.